All right, everybody, we're now going to go for a ride in our 1968 Ford Mustang convertible. Now, what's better than driving in a Ford Mustang convertible with a power top and a stock look? I mean, besides its really dark blue exterior, you got a really old-fashioned interior. You can see our matching blue and blue here, our stock wheel, our working horn, our 2-knob radio. Pretty much everything is stock about this car. You can see the speedometer still works, the brakes, tires a whistle there, our steering not pulling in any other direction. The only thing that is modified on this car is it has its own little aftermarket temperature gauge, and that's a really good thing to have down here in Florida, especially with the heat. It's only running about, let's say, 170. Yeah, 170. That's actually a really good temperature for this kind of car, especially out here in Florida. Oh yeah, she's just a cruiser. A good way to end the day and a nice way to feel the breeze. But anyway, we're gonna get her turned around up here, put her on the lift, let you guys take a look at the underneath. We'll see you there.